Hey home buyers, I'm here to tell you 5 reasons why you don't need a buyer's agent. Number 1, navigating the home buying process is easy peasy, especially if you've never done it before. You have all the savings that you've worked so hard for. Why not risk it all on the biggest purchase of your life with no prior experience and no guidance? Number 2 is this is one of the most challenging real estate markets that anyone has ever seen before. So why not navigate it by yourself? Absolutely. Number 3, when you do find that home that you love and you're ready to write an offer, you are going to have such a rush trying to figure out what it all means, what contingencies are, what you're risking. It's thrilling. And you know what? Just watch a couple episodes on HGTV. They can teach you how to do it. Number 4, the appraisal came in low. Oh man, now what do? You're gonna have a real easy time going through, Zillow history and trying to find other comparable properties that supported your offer price. It's gonna be a really great time, working with the listing agent who only represents the seller and trying to figure out a way to move forward without spending all of your money. Number 5, you get to be the main point of contact when shit inevitably hits the fan. You've always wanted to be the main character in the story. Here's your chance.